Watch this. Brand new chat. Totally fresh. And I ask it what I should plant next month. And look how it answers. Since you keep a small herb garden, hang on. I never told it that. Not in this chat. I never typed one word about gardening today. And it already knows. Hey, welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. I'm Alan, still the AI version of me, which, on an episode about AI that remembers you, is either reassuring or a little on the nose. And if you're new, that's Sam. That's basically you, reacting to all this so I don't have to. Here's the deal. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to set this up once, for free. So the free ChatGPT and the free Gemini stop treating you like a total stranger every visit. I'll show you both. And then the bit most people miss, how to see what it's quietly remembering and how to clear it. You'll remember, I call AI a really well-read friend. Well, until recently, that friend had a strange habit. The second you left, it forgot you completely. Every chat, back to square one. You'd explain who you are, what you like, how you want things. And tomorrow, blank slate, again. That's what changed. Now the friend keeps a little notebook about you, and it fills that notebook two ways. One, you tell it straight out. Here's who I am. Here's how I like things. Two, it just picks things up as you chat and writes them down on its own. Tell it or it learns it. Hold those two in your head. Everything today is one or the other. Let's do the tell it way first on ChatGPT, and it's free. Click your name in the corner, go to personalization, and there's a box right here called Custom Instructions. That's the whole trick. A couple of plain sentences. Here's mine. I'm retired, I'm into gardening and local history, and I like short answers, no jargon. Save it. Done. From now on, every new chat already knows that, and you never type it again. Now, the second way. And this is the bit that got me. You don't even need that box. Just chatting one day, I happened to mention I keep a small herb garden, and ChatGPT quietly went, updated memory. It wrote it in the notebook on its own. So days later, fresh chat, I ask what to plant. And there it is. Since you keep a small herb garden. That's the moment it stops being a search box and starts feeling like it actually knows you. Same idea works on the free Gemini. It just uses a different door. There's no tidy box to hunt for. Instead, you simply tell it in a normal chat, remember that I'm retired, I love gardening, and I want short answers, no jargon. And it does. It tucks that into your chats, and next time it leans right into the gardening. Quick honest note, Gemini also dangles a fancier version called Personal Intelligence, but at the time of recording, that one's paid and only in the US, so we're skipping it. Everything I'm showing you is the free way. Okay, now the part most people never check, and it's the most important one. Once it's remembering you, you should know how to make it forget. So I tried. On ChatGPT, I cleared out the custom instructions box. New chat, still knew about the gardening. Huh? So I found the actual manage memory list and wiped the whole thing. New chat, still knew about the herb garden. Turns out it was hiding in 3 places. The instructions box, the memory list, and your old chats themselves. It wasn't until I deleted the old conversations too that it finally drew a blank. On Gemini, it's simpler. You go to activity, delete your history, and it forgets. And that's the real reason to know this. A friend who remembers you is lovely, but it's keeping notes in more than one drawer. So the old coffee shop test still holds. If you wouldn't say it out loud in a busy cafe, think twice before you type it. The remembering is free. The good news? So is the off switch. Once you know where it lives. I put all of this on a free one-page cheat sheet, the exact clicks for both tools, plus the Clear It Properly checklist. Links in the description. Save it to your phone. So quick recap. 1. Set it up once and it stops treating you like a stranger. 2. It remembers 2 ways, what you tell it and what it picks up. 3. You're still the boss. You can see what it keeps and clear it in all 3 places. If this helped, subscribe, because this is part 1 of 3. Next time, we give your AI an actual job to keep. That's projects and gems. And it builds straight on what you set up today. And tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you'd want it to remember about you? I'll see you in the next one.